I started hunting Spotify playlists. I started going and looking at the top Spotify playlists. I would go find the people on Facebook. I would stalk their ass and I would, negotiate with them, offer them shout outs on my Periscope because I had 20,000 followers. Shout outs in my email to try to get more followers on their playlist, trying to work out deals to get my songs placed. And I got songs that I got placed on playlists back in 2017 that I'm still at the top of to this day. That's 5 years I've been getting residual income every single month just because I shopped my song to Spotify playlists 5 years ago. I planted those seeds. Because I was shopping to so many playlists, I developed my own Spotify playlist network of 300 plus playlists. So I didn't just feed them my song Don't Sleep. I fed them Sunshine, I fed them Rotate, I fed them Even Love Me, Michael Porter, all my songs I would put inside this distribution network. And next thing you know, I had 1 million streams on my song Don't Sleep and about 3 million combined.